बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है पुलिस ऑर्डर 2002। सिविल जज का पेपर जो है वो आ गया और उसमें एमसीक्यूज, सिलेबस में एमसीक्यूज थे लेकिन पेपर में एमसीक्यूज नहीं है, वो वन लाइनर आए हैं, ट्रू फॉल्स या फिर फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स टाइप चीज़ें आई हैं। तो ये जो मैंने बनाए हुए हैं एमसीक्यू, ये भी उसमें फॉल करते हैं। मतलब मेरा जो है वो ऑप्शंस को वैसे भी मैं कंसिडर नहीं करती हूँ, जो मैं राइट आंसर है वही बताती हूँ अपनी वीडियो में। तो अगर आप ये एक पूरी वीडियो सुन लें, वैसे कंसिस्टेंसी से 1-2 घंटे एक ही बुक के ऊपर बैठ के नहीं पढ़ा जा सकता, माइंड थक जाता है। तो अगर कोई भी वीडियो है, मतलब ये मेरी वीडियो है या वैसे कोई वीडियो यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल हो या कहीं पर भी मिल जाती है, तो वो इंसान जो है वो कंटिन्यूसली देख सकता है, क्योंकि वो विजुअलाइज हो रही होती है, आपने सिर्फ सुनना होता है, आपका माइंड सिर्फ रिटेन कर रहा होता है, मेहनत नहीं कर रहा होता। मेहनत हम जैसे लोगों को करनी पड़ती है जो रिकॉर्ड करते हैं एट अ टाइम इतनी सारी चीज़। खैर, शुरू करते हैं जी। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। द पुलिस ऑर्डर 2002 was promulgated on 14 अगस्त 2002. The primary stated purpose of the police order 2002 is to reconstruct and regulate the police. Next, according to the preamble, the police has an obligation and duty to function according to all of the following except international treaties. Again, the Police Order 2002 emphasizes that the functioning of the police requires it to be all of the following except politically aligned. One of the key reasons for enacting the Police Order 2002 was to redefine the police role, duties, and responsibilities. The chief executive was satisfied that the circumstances existed which rendered it necessary to take immediate action due to the need for efficient prevention and detention of crime and maintenance of public order. The Police Order 2002 was promulgated in pursuance of the Proclamation of Emergency of October 14, 1999 and the Provisional Constitutional Order number 1 of 1999. Again, the authority to make and promulgate the Police Order 2002 rested with the Chief Executive of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. What is the short title of the order mentioned in the text? The Police Order 2002. To what geographical area does the Police Order 2002 extend? To the whole of Pakistan. When did the Police Order 2002 came into force? In the Islamabad Capital Territory on August 14, 2002. Again, in the context of the Police Order 2002, what does administration include? Management of administration, operational and financial functions. Who is the capital city police officer according to the definition? Any police officer posted under Article 11. What is the minimum rank required for a capital city police officer? Additional Inspector General of Police, यानी कि AIG. Who is the city police officer as defined in the order? Any police officer posted under Article 15. What is the minimum rank required for a city police officer? Deputy Inspector General of Police. What does code refer to in the context of this order? The Code of Criminal Procedure 1898. What does commission mean under this order? A public safety commission established at national, provincial or district level. How is district defined? The police order 2002, the district as defined in the local government law. Gehaji, what is the minimum rank of a district police officer? Senior Superintendent of Police. Which of the following is not explicitly listed as a federal law enforcement agency in the provided text? Provincial Board Guard. A general police area can be all of the following except any territory for which separate police is established under Article 6. What does head of the district police encompass? A district police officer, city police officer, or a capital city police officer. Junior ranks of the police as defined include members of the police and below the rank of inspector. Which of the following is included in the definition of person, community, a company, or corporation? According to the definition of place, it includes any building, tent, booth, or other structure, whether permanent or temporary, and any area, whether enclosed or open. A place of public amusement is characterized by the public being admitted either on payment or with the intention of collecting money for the provision of music, singing, dancing, or gaming, or any other amusement, diversion, or reaction. What defines a place of public entertainment? Any place of boarding and lodging to which public are admitted by any person owning or having any interest in or managing such place public. Who is the provincial police officer? The head of the police of the general police area of the rank of Inspector General of Police. Police or police establishment includes all persons appointed as special police officers or additional police officers under this order and all other employees of the police. What does prescribed mean in the context of this order? Prescribed by rules made under this order. Senior ranks refer to members of the police above the rank of inspector. A street is defined to include all of the following except a private residential garden. According to the police order, those are those what is the police officer's duty regarding behavior with the public to behave with due decorum and courtesy. Which of the following groups are police officers specifically instructed to guide and assist the poor, disabled, or physically weak and children who are either lost or find themselves helpless. When aiding individuals in danger of physical harm, special attention is to be given to women and children. Which of the following is a fundamental duty of every police officer subject to law to protect life, property, and liberty of citizens? What is the police the duty regarding persons taken into custody to protect their rights and privileges under the law? A police officer has a duty to prevent the commission of offences and public nuisance. In what situation can a police officer enter and inspect a public place, shop, or gaming house without a warrant? On reliable information where alcoholic drinks or narcotics are sold or weapons are illegally stored and other public places of resort of loose and disorderly characters. What should a police officer do regarding unclaimed property? Take charge of it and prepare its inventory. When a person is arrested, what information must be promptly communicated to the information about the arrest to a person of their choice? In addition to duties or specified in the Police Order 2002, what other duties and powers must police officer perform and exercise? Those conferred by the code or other law for the time being in force. What is the police officer's responsibility regarding lunatics at large? To take charge of them to prevent them from causing harm to themselves or others. What specific duty is mentioned regarding women and children in public places to prevent their harassment? In distress situations, particularly concerning women and children, a police officer shall make every effort to afford relief to people. What assistance are police officers expected to provide to victims of road accidents? Provide assistance and information documents to facilitate compensation claims. What is the police officer's duty regarding suspected offenders and the courts? To lay information before a competent court and apply for legal processes. In an emergency, who can declare a specified service to be an essential service to the community? The government by notification in the official gazette. If a service is declared essential, what is the duty of every police officer in relation to that declaration? To obey any lawful order given by a senior police officer in relation to the declaration. Who is responsible for maintaining a separate police establishment for every general police area? The government. How is the number of senior and junior ranks and organization of a police establishment determined by the government from time to time? The recruitment criteria, pay and allowances and other conditions of service of the police are determined by the government from time to time. For recruitment in the police, excluding ministerial and specialist cadets, what ranks are candidates initially recruited into? Constable, sub-inspector and assistant superintendent of police. How is direct recruitment for the rank of constable made? On the basis of district of domicile. And direct recruitment for the rank of sub-inspector is made through the Punjab Public Service Commission based on police range in which district of domicile of the candidate is located. What is the maximum percentage of total post for the direct recruitment in the rank of sub-inspector? 50%. What percentage of the quota reserved for departmental promotion to the rank of sub-inspector is filed through selection on merit by Punjab Public Service Commission? 25%. Which rank of police officers holding bachelor's degree are eligible for selection non-merit for constable and head constable? अच्छा जी आगे है in departmental promotions to the rank of assistant sub inspector are made through selection on merit by Punjab Public Service Commission from amongst police officers holding a bachelor's degree in which ranks constable and head constable. Recruitment in the rank of assistant superintendent of police is conducted by Federal Public Service Commission on all Pakistan basis. What powers and privileges does every police officer have while on police duty? All the powers and privileges of a police officer throughout Pakistan. A police officer is liable to serve at any time in which of the following any branch, division, bureau, and section. On what basis shall the police establishment constituted under Article 7 be organized as far as practicable functional basis into branches, divisions, bureaus, and sections? Which of the following is not explicitly listed as a potential branch, division, bureau, or section for police organization? Public relation. To whom are specialist investigators can operationally responsible? The officer in charge of the investigation branch. A police officer is liable for posting to all of the following except any private sector organization. Posting to any specialist branch, division, bureau, or section is subject to necessary training and experience in accordance with the rules. Where does the superintendence of police throughout a general police area vest in the appropriate government? How shall the power of superintendence be exercised by the appropriate government to ensure police performs its duties efficiently and strictly in accordance with the law? In whom shall the administration of police in a general police area vest? The provincial police officer, a capital city police officer, or city police officer posted under Article 11 or Article 15. The provincial police officer, capital city police officer, and city police officer shall exercise powers, perform functions, and have responsibility as provided by this order and any other law for the time being in force. What can the police officers mentioned in Class 1 issue for direction and control of the police? Sorry. Standing orders not inconsistent with the order or rules. Who is responsible for preparing a provincial annual policing plan? The provincial police officer. For review, by which body is the provincial annual policing plan prepared? The Provincial Public Safety Commission. Which of the following is an essential component that the provincial annual policing plan must include? Objectives of policing. The provincial annual policing plan must include financial resources likely to be available during the year, targets and mechanism for achieving these targets. The recommends who recommends the panel of three police officers for the posting of a provincial police officer? The National Public Safety Commission. From whom does the National Public Safety Commission receive the list of police officers for the provincial police officers पैनल? इसका आंसर आपने बताना है. What is the minimum rank of police officer to be posted as provincial police officer, inspector general of police? Before a police officer is posted as a provincial police officer, what must the federal government do? Place his services at the disposal of the provincial government. Who posts the capital city police officer for Islamabad capital territory? The federal government. What is the minimum rank of a police officer to be posted as capital city police officer, additional inspector general of police? For capital city police officer appointments, who recommend the three officers to the federal government? For ICT or provincial government? For capital city district, the National Public Safety Commission, or on the recommendation of the provincial police officer? Which of the following federal law enforcement agencies heads are posted by the federal government from a panel recommended by the National Public Safety Commission? Federal Investigation Agency, Pakistan Railway Police, Pakistan Motorway and Highway Police, and Frontier Constabulary. In the temporary absence of the provincial police officer or capital city police officer, who may exercise their power and functions? The next senior officer. What administrative and financial powers does the provincial police officer posted under Class 1 possess as ex officio secretary to provincial government, and other powers under this order or any other law? Can the police officer mentioned in Class 1 and 2 empower subordinate officers to exercise their powers and duties? Yes, by general or special order, subject to job description of each post under the rules. What is the standard term of officer for a provincial police officer, capital city police officer, head of federal law enforcement agency posted under Article 11, 3 years from the date of his posting? Who can transfer a provincial police officer before the expiry of his tenure? The provincial government with agreement of Provincial Public Safety Commission and the Capital City Public Safety Commission. Uh, the आगे है जी, बट कैन इनिशिएट द केस ऑफ प्रीमेच्योर ट्रांसफर फॉर द प्रोविंशियल पुलिस ऑफिसर और कैपिटल सिटी पुलिस ऑफिसर unsatisfactory performance of duties by the provincial government or the respective public safety commission. A request from who can transfer the Islamabad capital city police officer, the head of a federal enforcement agency, before the expiration of his tenure. The federal government with the agreement of National Public Safety Commission. What can initiate the premature transfer of the Islamabad capital city police officer and head of federal law enforcement agency? Unsatisfactory performance of duties by the federal government or the National Public Safety Commission. Before the premature transfer of officers mentioned in class 3 and class 5 due to unsatisfactory performance, what must the appropriate commission do? Give the concerned officer an opportunity of being heard in person. Who has the authority to recall a provincial police officer or the capital city police officer? The federal government with the agreement of the National Public Safety Commission. Who posts the additional inspector general of police to assist the provincial police officer or capital city police officer? The government in consultation with the provincial police officer or capital city police officer. How many additional inspector general of police can be posted? As many as the government deems fit in consultation with the respective police officer. Who can appoint experts assist the provincial police officer and capital city police officer or city police officer? The government on recommendation of the appropriate public service commission. What determines the qualifications, eligibility, terms and conditions of service for experts as per prescribed by rules? Who posts a city police officer for a city district and a district police officer in a district within a general police area? The provincial police officer in consultation with the government. What is the standard term of office for a city police officer or district police officer? 3 years from the date of his posting. On what specific grounds can a city police officer or district city police officer be transferred before completing their normal tenure? Inefficiency and ineffectiveness with the concurrence of both the Zilla Nazim and the District Public Safety Commission. Before a city police officer or district police officer is transferred prematurely, what must happen? He must be heard in person by the District Public Safety Commission. In which district does the administration police vest in a district police officer under Article 15? District other than our capital city district and a city district. To whom can the district police officer delegate any of his powers and functions? To a superintendent of police, assistant or deputy superintendent of police posted under Article 17. What administrative and financial powers do the capital city police officer and the city police officer have? Powers of the head of an attached department. The powers exercised by a capital city police officer under Article 11 and a city police officer under Article 15 are subject to whose operational control? The provincial police officer. Who posts Deputy Inspector General of Police for any part of the general police area or for police headquarters? The government in consultation with the provincial police officer or capital city police officer. Who is responsible for posting senior superintendents and assistant and deputy superintendents of police in general police area? The provincial police officer or the capital city police officer. What powers, the functions and duties do officers posted under class 1 and class 2 of Article 17 exercise and perform as assigned to him under this order or any other law for the time being in force? What is the key principle introduced regarding the investigation function of the police in Article 18? Separation of investigation from other functions of the police. In a district, who supervises the investigation of all registered cases by the district investigation branch subject to class 3, the head of the district investigation branch. Who can notify the offences that shall be investigated by the investigation officer in the police station under the supervision of the officer in charge of the police station, the provincial police officer. In a district other than a capital city district or city district, what is the minimum rank of the police officer heading the district investigation branch? Senior superintendent of police. In a capital city district, what is the minimum rank of the police officer heading the district investigation branch? Deputy Inspector General of Police. To whom the head of district investigation branch directly responsible? The head of district police. What must supervisory officers ensure regarding investigation? Timely completion and verification of investigation. What action can the supervisory officer not below the rank of deputy superintendent of police take before submission of a report in court, verify the correctness of the investigation and accuracy of conclusion of investigation by writing in a case diary. When an officer in charge of the police station receives information of an offence that needs to be investigated by the investigation branch, what must they do? Inform the district investigation branch immediately. If the head of the district investigation branch believes a case under investigation is not in its jurisdiction, what should they do? Send the case for further investigation to the officer in charge of the police station under intimation to the head of district police. Under what circumstances can members of the district investigation branch be employed for duties other than investigation? Except in cases of an emergency notified by the provincial police officer for specified period. Within how many working days can the head of district police transfer the investigation of a case after receiving an application? 17 working days. Before the transferring in an investigation, the head of district police must obtain and the opinion of which body? The district standing board. What is the minimum rank requirement for the new investigation officer or team of officers when an investigation is transferred? Equal to or higher than the rank of the previous investigation officer. If the head of the district police has already decided an application for transfer, who may then transfer the investigation? The regional police officer. Within how many working days can the regional police officer transfer an investigation after receiving an application if the head of district police has already decided on it? 7 working days. Who constitute the district standing board? The head of the district police. What is the composition of the district standing board? A superintendent of police as chairman and 2 officers not below the rank of deputy superintendent of police as a members. What is the composition of the regional standing board? Sorry. A superintendent of police as a chairperson and 2 superintendent of police as members. A case under investigation with the district investigation branch can only be transferred to which of the following? Another officer or team of officers of the district investigation branch, regional investigation branch, or provincial investigation branch. In the case of the capital city district, head of district police shall be construed to mean the head of district investigation branch of the capital city. In the case of capital city district, regional police officer shall be construed to mean the capital city police officer, who can appoint the director of wireless motor transport and computer for a general police area or part thereof. The provincial police officer or capital city police officer or city police officer. What is the rank of the police officer posted as commandant of the National Police Academy, Inspector General of Police? Who posts an officer as commandant of a police training college? The federal government. What is the minimum rank for a commandant of a police training college? Deputy Inspector General of Police. What is the minimum rank for a principal of a police training school? Superintendent of Police. The provincial who can constitute police regions? The provincial police officer with the approval of the government. Within budgetary allocations, who can divide district into police divisions, subdivisions, and police stations? The provincial police officer, capital city police officer, or the city police officer. As far as practicable, the limits and extent of police divisions, police stations, and police posts should be coterminous with the limits of tehsil or town in a city, district, and unions. What is the minimum rank of a police officer heading a police reign? Deputy Inspector General of Police. In the size of a police establishment in a reign is more than 10,000. What is the minimum rank of the police officer heading the reign? Additional Inspector General of Police. A police division shall be under an officer not below the rank of superintendent of police. A police subdivision shall be under an officer not below the rank of assistant or deputy superintendent of police. A police station shall be under an officer of the rank of inspector or inspector or sub-inspector of police. In selected police station, an officer of which rank may be posted as head, assisted by inspectors or sub-inspector as officer in charge, assistant superintendent of police. Who is the authority to transfer any police officer appointed under this order from police constituted for one general area to another? The appropriate government subject to rules. Who is the appointing authority for junior ranks? The head of district of police, subject to rules. Before whom shall every member of the police make and subscribe an oath or affirmation upon appointment? provincial police officer or capital city police officer or city police officer or head of training institution. Where do the assistant superintendent of police make and subscribe their oath or affirmation before the commandant National Police Academy? What do the officers of junior ranks receive upon appointment? A certificate of appointment in the form provided in the third schedule. When does the certificate of appointment become null and void? Whenever the police officer named therein ceases to belong to the police. Who has the power to suspend a member of police? The authority or an officer authorized in this behalf by the authority subject to rules. While a police officer is under suspension, what happens to their powers and functions? They are remain suspended. Despite being under suspension, a police officer shall continue to be subject to the control of the same authority to which he would have been but for his suspension. Within their respective spheres of authority, who directs and regulates matters concerning recruitment, training, posting, transfer, promotion, and discipline of the police, the provincial police officer and head of district police officer who has the authority to investigate and regulate all matters of accounts connected with the police, the provincial police officer, city, capital city police officer, or city police officer. What is the obligation of all persons concerned during an investigation into police accounts to give reasonable aid and facilities and to confirm or to order subsequent consequent thereto. The power of provincial police officer, capital city police officer, or district police officer to regulate accounts is without prejudice to the whose authority to audit police accounts, the Auditor General, who may appoint special police officer for police special purposes or occasions when the available police are insufficient. The head of district police subject to rules. Upon appointment, a special police officer shall receive a certificate in the prescribed form. What powers, immunities, duties, and responsibility does a special police officer have upon appointment? The same as a regular police officer. Who may appoint additional police officer, city police officer, and district police officer subject to the approval of the provincial police officer and capital city police officer. For what purposes are additional police officers appointed? For the purposes stated in their employment orders. Upon appointment, an additional police officer shall receive a certificate in a form approved by provincial police officer or capital city police officer or city police officer. An additional police officer is subject to the orders of which authorities? The capital city police officer, city police officer, and district police officer. Who may appoint ministerial staff and other employees to assist the police. Provincial police officer, capital city police officer, and city police officer, as the case may be, subject to rules. Any person employed as ministerial staff or other employed under class 1 shall be under the direction and control of provincial police officer, capital city police officer, or city police officer, as the case may be. The powers of direction and control over ministerial staff and other employees include with specific powers of discipline and dismissal. Can the provincial police officer, capital city police officer, city police officer delegate their powers and authority under Article 31 to an officer of appropriate rank? Yes, subject to the rules. Who is responsible for preparing an annual policing plan for a district? The head of the district police. With whom must the head of district police consult when preparing the annual policing plan? The Zilla Nazim. Which of the following is not a required component of the policing plan? Names of all police officers. For whom must the head of district police obtain approval for the policing plan? The appropriate public safety commission. To whom are copies of the approved policing plan sent? Zilla Nazim, Tehsil or Town Nazim, provincial government, provincial public safety commission, and provincial police officer. By when must the head of district police prepare a report on the policing of the district and send it to the district public safety commission by the end of August? To whom is the head of district police responsible for the function under this order? The Zilla Nazim. Which of the following functions of the district police shall not rest with the Zilla Nazim? Administration of the district police, investigation of criminal cases, and police functions relating to prosecution. What power does the Zilla Nazim have regarding police station? To visit a police station to find out if any person is under unlawful detention and direct action in accordance with law. In case of a difference of opinion between Zilla Nazim and the provincial government or any matter concerning the district police, whose decision shall prevail? The provincial government's decision. which entities can ask for police support for the discharge of their official duties. Any functionary of the federal government, provincial government, statutory bodies, or corporations owned, controlled by such governments, district government, tehsil or town, municipal administration, union administration, or cantonment board. If the concerned police authority of the area is unable to provide the requested police support, what should they do? Forthwith bring the matter through its channel of command to the notice of the head of district police. If the head of district police is unable to provide the requested police support, whom shall he inform? The Zilla Nazim. Before reporting to a higher officer, what should each officer in the chain of command to do regarding a request for police support? Make an effort to provide the requisite police support. If a police officer is of the opinion that a request for police support is unnecessary, unlawful, or malified, to whom should they report their channel of command? To the head of district police. If the head of district police receives a support report that a request for police support is unnecessary, unlawful, or malified, what he may seek recourse to the appropriate public safety commission. In a situation where the head of district police seek recourse to the public safety commission regarding a police support request, whose decision shall prevail? The decision of the public safety commission. When the Zilla Nazim so directs, who is responsible for coordination of police report by the head of district police to district government, tehsil, municipal administration, union administration, and cantonment board in exigency. The district coordination officer. In case of an unlawful or malified order issued by the authority, who shall the head of district police seek recourse to? The appropriate public safety commission. In a case of an unlawful or malified order, what happens after the head of district police seeks recourse to the appropriate public safety commission? The decision of the public safety commission shall prevail. On what basis may the Zilla Nazim have reason to believe that a police official has committed an act of neglect, failure, or excess? On the basis of any complaint or information. Who can report to the Zilla Nazim about police neglect, failure, or excess of its own motion, or on receipt of a complaint from an aggrieved person? The Union Public Safety Committee. What remedial measure may the Zilla Nazim direct the head of district police to take regarding police neglect, failure, or excess? To take remedial measures including registration of first information report in a cognizable offence. In appropriate cases, when the Zilla Nazim directs remedial measures, whom shall he inform accordingly? The appropriate public safety commission. What action may the head of district police or the concerned competent authority take immediately upon receiving directions regarding police neglect or excess? Immediately take remedial measures and may suspend the concerned official where necessary, initiate an inquiry, and take appropriate action. Within how many days of the Zilla Nazim's directions must the head of district police forward a copy of the final report of inquiry? 45 days. Who shall be informed by the head of district police or head of federal law enforcement agency of any incident or complaint of rape, death, or serious injury to any person in police custody? The provincial police complaints authority or the federal police complaint authority, as the case may be. How many members shall a district public safety commission consist of? 8, 10, or 12 members depending upon the area and population of the district. How are the half of the members of the district safety police commission elected by the Zilla Council from amongst its councillor through secret ballot? Who appoints the independent members of the district public safety commission? The governor from a list of names recommended by the district selection panel. What proportion of both the elected and independent members of the district public safety commission shall be women? 1/3. Who requests the chairperson of the district selection panel to conduct election of the elected members of the district public safety commission? The Naib Zilla Nazim. How often is the chairperson of district public safety commission elected? Annually. And the chairperson of the district public safety commission shall alternate between the which two categories of members, independent and elected members? Who is the chairperson of the selection panel for independent members? The direct and district and session judge. The nominees of the provincial government and district government on the selection panel for independent members shall not be elected representative or public servants. How is the selection of independent members by the selection panel carried out? By consensus. Within how many days from the commencement of selection process must the selection of independent members be completed? 30 days. Which of the following is a disqualification for becoming a member of the District Public Safety Commission? Being an activist of any political party or having held any representative office in the 6 months immediately preceding such appointment. A person is disqualified from being a member if he holds any office of profit in the service of Pakistan. Which of the following would disqualify a person from being a member of the District Public Safety Commission? Being convicted of a criminal offence. What is the one of the primary function of the District Public Safety Commission regarding the annual local policing plan? To approve the plan prepared by the district police officer in consultation with the Zilla Nazim. The local policing plan shall include all the following except detailed person information of all police officers. How often does the Public Safety Commission evaluate the delivery of performance targets in the local policing plan biannually? To whom does the District Public Safety Commission send half-yearly report on the evaluation of performance target? Zilla Nazim, Tehsil Nazim, Provincial Government, Provincial Public Safety Commission and Provincial Police Officer. What recourse does the District Public Safety Commission provide to the District Police Officer or City Police Officer for reporting against an unlawful or malified order or request for police support and giving a decision thereon? If the District Public Safety Commission is satisfied that a collusive relationship detrimental to the interest of the people exists between the Zilla Nazim and District Police Officer or City Police Officer, what action can it take? Refer the matter in writing to the provincial government for appropriate action. Before the reporting a collusive relationship to the provincial government, what opportunity must be given to the District Police Officer or City Police Officer and the Zilla Nazim? An opportunity to be heard in person to explain their respective position. In case where the head of a police station has unjustifiably refused or avoided to register any first information report, what can District Police Safety Commission direct the District Police Officers or City Police Officer to do? To conduct an inquiry into the matter and cause the registration of the FIR if a cognizable case is made out. If the District Public Safety Commission directs an inquiry and registration of an FIR as per Section 8, within how many hours must the District Police Officer report the action taken? 48 hours. On receipt of a complaint of excess by a police officer, the District Public Safety Commission can direct the District Police Officer or City Police Officer to take appropriate action and submit a report, or it can conduct a fact-finding inquiry through two or more of its members. If the District Public Safety Commission conducts a fact-finding inquiry and finds the complaint accessed by a police officer to be correct, what can it direct the District Police Officer to do? Suspend the defaulting police officer and take departmental action against him in accordance with the rules. If the District Police Officer does not submit a report or take action on the direction given by the District Public Safety Commission regarding a complaint of access to whom can the matter be reported? The provincial police officer, provincial government of the police complaints authority. On a complaint of excess committed by any member of federal law enforcement agency and civil armed forces acting in support of the district police, what can the District Public Safety Commission initially do? Require the appropriate authority of the concerned department in writing to take the remedial action and report within a specified period. If no action is taken by the concerned authority regarding a complaint of access by a federal law enforcement agency member, to whom can a District Public Safety Commission make a reference? To the head of concerned organization or the Federal Complaints Authority for appropriate action. What is the term of office for member of the District Public Safety Commission? 3 years unless they resign or cease to be a member of the Zilla Council. Is a member of the District Public Safety Commission eligible for a second term? No, no member shall be eligible for a second term. What compensation are members paid for attending meetings? Only TA and DA, travel allowance and daily allowance as per rules. What judicial role do members of the District Public Safety Commission hold within the district? Justice of peace. On what grounds can the governor remove a member from office if they are found suffering from physical or mental incapacity or illness? Which of the following is a specific ground for removal of a member from office? Failing to attend 3 consecutive meetings without any reasonable cause. How is the business of the District Public Safety Commission conducted in a meeting? who can convene a meeting of the District Public Safety Commission, the chairperson, or on the requisition of three members. What is the quorum required for a meeting of the District Public Safety Commission? Two-thirds of its total members. What is the minimum frequency of a meeting for the District Public Safety Commission? Minimum of one meeting in a month. By what method are decision of the District Public Safety Commission made simple majority? Who may be invited to attend a meeting of the District Public Safety Commission and is obliged to attend? District Police Officer or City Police Officer, or in their absence their deputy. What is the provincial government responsible for establishing regarding the District Public Safety Commission? A permanent secretariat. Who heads the secretariat of the District Public Safety Commission? An officer of BPS 17 appointed in consultation with the Commission by the provincial government. Who determines the number of officers and staff for the secretariat of the District Public Safety Commission? The government in consultation with the Commission. How many members shall a Capital City District Police Commission consist of? 12 members. How many members of the Capital City District Public Safety Commission are elected by the Zilla Council? 3 members. Who nominates 3 members to the Capital City District Public Safety Commission from amongst the members of the Provincial Assembly? The Speaker of the Provincial Assembly. How are the 3 nominated members from the Provincial Assembly divided between the Treasury and Opposition branch? 2 from Treasury and 1 from Opposition. How many independent members are appointed to the Capital City District Public Safety Commission? 6 members. Who appoints the independent members of the Capital City District Public Safety Commission? The governor from a list of names recommended by the Capital City District Selection Panel. What proportion of both the elected and independent members of the Capital District Public Safety Commission shall be women? One-third. Who requests the chairperson of the Capital City District Selection Panel to conduct the election of the elected members? The Naib Zilla Nazim. How often is the chairperson of the Capital City District Public Safety Commission elected? Annually. The chairperson of the Capital City District Police Safety Commission shall alternate between which two categories of members, independent and elected members? Who is the chairperson of the selection panel for independent members of the Capital City District Police Safety Commission? The Chief Justice of High Court. What is the selection process for independent members by the Capital City District Police Selection Panel? By consensus. Within how many days from the commencement of the selection process must the selection of independent members for the Capital City District Public Safety Commission be completed? 30 days. Independent members are required to have impeccable integrity and proven professional competence in fields such as social work, law, administration, education, corporate sector, etc. How many names of eligible candidates does the selection panel forward to the governor for the appointment of independent members? Twice the number of appointments to be made. Which of the following is disqualification for becoming member of the District Public Safety Commission as per Article 55, also applicable to Capital City District Public Safety Commission? Being an activist of any political party or having held any representative office in 6 months immediately preceding such appointment. A person is disqualified from becoming a member if they are found suffering from physical or mental incapacity or illness. What financial status would disqualify a person from becoming a member? Being declared a bankrupt, loan defaulter, or tax evader. Which of the following actions would disqualify a person from becoming a member? Being dismissed, removed, or compulsorily retired from the service of Pakistan on grounds of corruption or any other form of misconduct. What is one of the primary functions of the Capital City District Public Safety Commission regarding the annual local policing plan? To approve an annual local policing plan prepared by the Capital City Police Officer in consultation with the Zilla Nazim. The local policing plan approved by the Capital City District Police Public Safety Commission must include a statement of financial resources and performance targets with the delivery mechanism. How often does the Capital City District Police Safety Commission evaluate the delivery of performance targets in the local policing plans? Biannually. To whom does the Capital City District Public Safety Commission send half-yearly reports on the evaluation of performance targets? Zilla Nazim, Tehsil Nazim, Provincial Government, Provincial Public Safety Commission, and Provincial Police Officer. What recourse does the Capital City District Public Safety Commission provide to the Capital City Police Officer for reporting against any unlawful or malified order or request for public support from any authority and giving a decision their own. If the Capital City District Public Safety Commission believes a collusive relationship detrimental to public interest exists between the Zilla Nazim and Capital City Police Officer, what action can it take? Refer the matter in writing to the provincial government for appropriate action. Before reporting a collusive relationship, as per question 11, what must be given to the Capital City Police Officer and the Zilla Nazim? An opportunity to be heard in person to explain their respective position. If the head of a police station unjustifiably refuses to register an FIR, the Capital City District Public Safety Commission can direct the Capital City Police Officer to conduct an inquiry and cause the registration of the FIR if a cognizable case is made out, reporting back within the 48 hours. On receipt of a complaint of excess by a police officer, what are two possible actions the Capital City District Public Safety Commission can take? Direct the Capital City District Police Officer to take action or conduct a fact-finding inquiry through its members. If the Capital City District Police Officer does not submit a report or take action on a direction from the Capital City Public Safety Commission regarding complaint of access, to whom can the member be reported? The provincial government or the police complaints authority. What is the standard term of office for a member of the Capital City District Police Safety Commission? 3 years unless they resign or cease to be a member of the Provincial Assembly or the Zilla Council. Can a member of the Capital City District Public Safety Commission be reappointed for a second term? No. What compensation are members of the Capital City District Police Safety Commission entitled for attending meeting TADA? What specific judicial role do members of the Capital City District Public Safety Commission, Justice of Peace, who has the authority to remove a member from Capital City District Public Safety Commission, the government on his own volition or on the recommendation of the Capital City District Police Safety Commission? Which of the following is a valid ground for removing a member from the Capital City District Police Commission being found guilty of misconduct? उसके अलावा रिमूवल, ये जो है ना सारे जितने भी कमीशन हैं इसमें पुलिस ऑर्डर में, उन सब के रिमूवल और उन सब की जो है वो अपॉइंटमेंट का ऑलमोस्ट तरीका सेम है, फंक्शनिंग भी तकरीबन सेम है, तो वो फिर काफी लंबी वीडियो हो जाएगी, तो इसलिए सिर्फ रिमूवल की बैकग्राउंड पढ़ देते हैं. कन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होगा तो रिमूव हो जाएगा. बीइंग इलेक्टेड डिक्लेयर्ड अ बैंकक्रप्ट लोन डिफॉल्टर और टैक्स वेटर तो भी वो रिमूव हो जाएगा. उसके अलावा जो है रिमूवल की ग्राउंड क्या थी? आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट अगर काम करेगा, सिक्योरिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट, पीस एंड इंटेग्रिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट अगर काम करेगा तो वो रिमूव हो जाएगा. अगर इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट में कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट है उसकी तो वो रिमूवल की ग्राउंड नहीं है. अच्छा जी, आगे है मीटिंग. हाउ मेनी कंसेक्टिव मीटिंग्स? मीटिंग्स जो है वो 3 मीटिंग्स होनी चाहिए. हाउ इज द बिजनेस ऑफ द कैपिटल सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक कमीशन इन अ मीटिंग? ये सबका ही जो बिजनेस है ना तकरीबन इन अ मीटिंग में, मतलब एक मीटिंग कंडक्ट करेगी और उसके अंदर उनका वो जो भी कोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस है वो चलेगा. उसके अलावा जी है हु कैन कन्वेन अ मीटिंग ऑफ द कैपिटल सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस कमेटी? द चेयरपर्सन और द रिक्वेजिशन ऑफ द 3 मेंबर. तकरीबन तमाम कमीशन में ना चेयरपर्सन ही मीटिंग को कन्वेन करेगा. अगला है जी व्हाट इज द कोरम रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अ मीटिंग? 2/3 ऑफ इट्स मेंबर. कोरम भी तकरीबन सबका 2/3 ही है. व्हाट इज द मिनिमम नोटिस पीरियड फॉर अ रेगुलर मीटिंग ऑफ द कमीशन? 24 आवर्स. ये सबका चेंज होता है नोटिस पीरियड, कुछ का 24 आवर्स है, कुछ का कम ज्यादा है. व्हाट इज द मिनिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ मीटिंग्स? मिनिमम ऑफ 1 मीटिंग इन अ मंथ. एक महीने के अंदर जो है वो एक मीटिंग लाजमी होनी चाहिए. अच्छा, और उसके अलावा ये जो है बाय व्हाट मेथड आर द डिसीजन ऑफ द कमीशन मेड? बाय सिंपल मेजोरिटी. कुछ का है कंसेंसस से और कुछ का सिंपल मेजोरिटी से, बस यही याद रखना. दोनों वो किस में सिंपल मेजोरिटी है, ज्यादातर में कंसेंसस है. अभी इसमें इस कमीशन में सिंपल मेजोरिटी है. हु मे बी इन्वेंटेड टू अटेंड मीटिंग ऑफ द कैपिटल सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन एंड इज ऑब्लाइज्ड टू अटेंड ओनली इंडिपेंडेंट एक्सपर्ट्स. आगे है जी कैन द कैपिटल सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन इनवाइट्स एक्सपर्ट फॉर कंसल्टेशन ऑन स्पेसिफिक इश्यूज? यस. व्हाट कैन द कमीशन फ्रेम रिगार्डिंग द कंडक्ट ऑफ इट्स बिजनेस? रूल्स ऑफ प्रोसीजर. ये सबका ही रूल्स ऑफ प्रोसीजर आएगा. कंडक्ट ऑफ बिजनेस के लिए वो अपने रूल्स खुद बना सकते हैं. बट इज द प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट ऑब्लिगेटेड टू एस्टेब्लिश फॉर द कैपिटल सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस सेफ्टी कमीशन अ परमानेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट. परमानेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट जो है वो सब में ही आएगा. अगला है जी, हु हेड्स द सेक्रेटेरिएट ऑफ द कैपिटल सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस सेफ्टी कमीशन. जो सेक्रेटेरिएट है वो बीपीएस 17 का होना चाहिए, लेकिन जो लास्ट वाला कमीशन है उसमें बीपीएस 19 है. Who determines the number of officers and staff for secretariat? The government in consultation with the commission. अगेन जी, how many members of the इस्लामाबाद, ये सब के मेंबर भी तकरीबन 12 ही हैं. Who nominates 3 members of इस्लामाबाद? The speaker of the national assembly. जो ये अब नॉमिनेशन है ना वो सबकी चेंज है, हर किसी की अलग अलग, आपने देख लेनी है किस किस क्या क्या है. How are the 3 nominated members from the National Assembly divided between the Treasury and Opposition bench? 2 from Treasury, 1 from Opposition. ये भी तकरीबन सेम ही है सबका, जहां पर फेडरल की बात आएगी. हाउ मैनी इंडिपेंडेंट मेंबर्स? इंडिपेंडेंट मेंबर जो है वो 6 होते हैं. हाउ, और बाकी 6 सिलेक्टेड होते हैं. हु अपॉइंट्स द इंडिपेंडेंट मेंबर्स ऑफ द इस्लामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन? द प्रेसिडेंट फ्रॉम अ लिस्ट ऑफ नेम्स रिकमेंडेड बाय द इस्लामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिलेक्शन पैनल. What proportion of both elected and independent members shall be a woman? 1/3. तकरीबन सब में ही 1/3 women होनी चाहिए. Who requests the chairperson of the Islamabad district election panel conduct the election of the members? The नायब जिला नाजिम. अच्छा जी, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द इस्लामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन इलेक्टेड एनुअली, किसी में बाई एनुअली और किसी में एनुअली. द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द इस्लामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन शैल अल्टरनेट बिटवीन विच 2 कैटेगरीज ऑफ मेंबर्स, इंडिपेंडेंट एंड इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स. हु इज द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द सिलेक्शन पैनल ऑफ इस्लामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन? द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट. What is the selection process for independent members? By consensus. Within how many days from the commencement of the selection process must the selection of independent members? Within 30 days. Independent members are required to have impeccable integrity and proven professional competence in fields such as social work, law, administration, education, corporate sector, etc. ये सब में ही आएगा. How many names of eligible candidates does the selection panel forward the president for the appointment of independent members? Twice the number of appointments to be made. ये भी सब में सेम आएगा. Which of the following is disqualification for becoming a member of the Islamabad District Public Safety Commission having been dismissed from service on grounds of corruption? A person is disqualified from membership if they are involved in the activities prejudicial to the all of the following except the economic prosperity of a foreign nation. What is one of the primary functions of the Islamabad District Public Safety Commission regarding the annual local policing plan? To approve the annual local policing plan prepared by the capital city police officer in consultation with the Zilla Nazim. The local policing plan approved by the Islamabad District Public Safety Commission must include a statement of financial resources expected to be made available by whom? The federal government. How often does the Islamabad District Public Safety Commission evaluate the delivery of performance targets in the local policing plan? Biannually. To whom does the Islamabad District Public Safety Commission send half-yearly report on the evaluation of performance targets? Zilla Nazim, Tehsil Nazim, Federal Government and National Public Safety Commission. What recourse does the Islamabad District Public Safety Commission provide to the capital city officer for reporting against any unlawful or malified order or request for police support from any authority and giving a decision their own? If the Islamabad District Public Safety Commission is satisfied that a collusive relationship detrimental to the interest of the people exists between the Zilla Nazim and Capital City Police Officer, what action it take? Refer the matter in writing to the federal government and for appropriate action. Before reporting a collusive relationship as per Section 8, what must be given to the Capital City Police Officer and the Zilla Nazim? An opportunity of being heard in person to explain their respective positions. If the head of a police station has unjustifiably refused or avoided registered a first information report, what can Islamabad District Public Safety Commission conduct an inquiry into the matter and cause the registration of the FIR if a cognizable case is made, reporting with 48 hours. ये सब में सेम ही है. On receipt of a complaint accessed by a police officer, what are two possible actions Islamabad District Public Safety Commission can take? Direct the capital city police officer to take appropriate action or conduct fact-finding inquiry through two or more of its members. If the Islamabad District Public Safety Commission conducts fact-finding inquiry regarding a complaint in excess of finding, if correct, what can it direct the capital city police officer do? Suspend the defaulting police officer and take departmental action against him in accordance with the rules. If the capital city police officer does not submit a report or take action on direction from the Islamabad District Public Safety Commission regarding a complaint of access, to whom can the matter be reported? The federal government or the Federal Police Complaints Authority. On a complaint of excess committed by a member of a federal law enforcement agency and civil armed forces acting in support of the Islamabad District Police, what can Islamabad District Police initially do? Require the appropriate authority of the concerned department in writing to take remedial action and report within a specified period. If no action is taken, the concerned authority, to whom can Islamabad District Police Commission make a reference? To the head of concerned organization or the Federal Complaints Authority for appropriate action. What is the standard term of office of the member of Islamabad District Public Safety Commission? 3 years unless they resign or cease to be a member of the National Assembly or Zilla Council. Can a member be elected reappointed? No. टीएडीए मिलेगा इनको, और उसके अलावा ये सारी चीजें सेम है, जस्टिस ऑफ पीस होंगे ये, और क्या है, रिमूवल की जो ग्राउंड है, प्रेसिडेंट who has authority to remove a member, तो प्रेसिडेंट ऑन हिज ओन वॉल्यूशन या फिर रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ द इस्लामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन, जितने भी कमीशन है उनकी रिकमेंडेशन के साथ रिमूवल होगा किसी का भी. Which is of the following valid ground? Being found of guilty of misconduct है, या फिर conflict of interest है तो भी उसे रिमूव कर दिया जाएगा. Being declared bankrupt, loan defaulter और tax evader तो भी वो उसको रिमूव कर दिया जाएगा. 3 मीटिंग जो है वो एटलीस्ट कंडक्ट की जाएंगी. उसके अलावा जो है फॉर्मल मीटिंग में इनका कोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस चलेगा. द पर्सन और अपॉन द रिक्विजिशन ऑफ 3 मेंबर्स, मीटिंग कन्वेंट जो चेयरपर्सन करेगा या फिर 3 मेंबर्स की रिक्विजिशन पर. अच्छा जी, मिनिमम नंबर्स हैं 2/3 ऑफ इट्स मेंबर्स. कोरम है 24 आवर का जो है वो नोटिस होगा पहले. उसके अलावा एक मीटिंग एक महीने में होनी चाहिए, सिंपल मेजोरिटी से होगी. इससे पहले कंसेंसस, पहले सिंपल आया था फिर कंसेंसस आया था और अब फिर सिंपल मेजोरिटी. Who is invited obligated to attend meeting of the इस्लामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन? ये सब में ही ओनली एक्सपर्ट जो है वो इनवाइट कर सकते हैं किसी भी मामले के ऊपर में. इट में फ्रेम रूल्स ऑफ प्रोसीजर, वो अपने रूल्स खुद बना सकते हैं. उसके अलावा टू स्टेब्लिश परमानेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट सब में मौजूद है. बीपीएस 17 वाला होना चाहिए. वो गवर्नमेंट इन कंसल्टेशन विद द कमीशन अपॉइंट करेगी सेक्रेटेरिएट को. 12 मेंबर्स होने चाहिए जी. किसके? अगला कमीशन आ गया प्रोविंशियल पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन के. उसके अलावा जी बाय द स्पीकर ऑफ द नेशनल असेंबली फ्रॉम अमंग्स दिस मेंबर्स, हाफ मेंबर जो है स्पीकर ऑफ द नेशनल असेंबली, उसमें नेशनल असेंबली था और इसमें प्रोविंशियल असेंबली और उसके मेंबर्स होंगे. उसके अलावा जी है नॉमिनेट कौन करेगा? 3 फ्रॉम ट्रेजरी एंड 3 फ्रॉम ऑपोजिशन. उससे पहले 2 फ्रॉम ट्रेजरी और 1 फ्रॉम ऑपोजिशन था. प्रोविंशियल वाले में 3 ट्रेजरी और 3 ऑपोजिशन में से जाएंगे. अच्छा जी, उसके बाद है क्या, नॉमिनेटेड वुमेन जो है इसमें 2 मेंबर्स होने चाहिए. इससे पहले जितने भी कमीशन आए थे उनमें 1/3 वुमेन थी. उसके बाद है जी गवर्नर फ्रॉम अ लिस्ट ऑफ नेम्स रिकमेंडेड बाय द प्रोविंशियल सिलेक्शन पैनल अपॉइंट करेगा. उसके बाद है जी मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ वुमेन 2 होनी चाहिए. अगला है ओनली द इंडिपेंडेंट मेंबर्स क्या करेंगे? असेंबली इज नॉट एग्जिस्टेंस विच मेंबर्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द प्रोविंशियल पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन. अगर असेंबली जो है वो एग्जिस्टेंस में नहीं है तो फिर क्या होगा? सिर्फ इंडिपेंडेंट मेंबर्स होंगे, इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स फिर नहीं होंगे. उसके बाद है जी द प्रोविंशियल होम मिनिस्टर जो है वो एक्स ऑफिशियल चेयरपर्सन होगा प्रोविंशियल पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन का, और मेंबर इलेक्टेड बाय द कमीशन फ्रॉम इट्स मेंबर्स. चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ हाई कोर्ट जो है वो इसका चेयरपर्सन होगा. और है जी नॉमिनी कौन होगा? नॉमिनेट्स द nominees of the governor and chief minister of the selection panel for independent members shall not be elected representative or public servant. ये भी सब में सेम ही है. उसके अलावा जी बाय कंसेंसस इनकी मीटिंग इंडिपेंडेंट मेंबर जो है कंसेंसस से अपॉइंट किए जाएंगे। विद इन हाउ मेनी डेज फ्रॉम कमेंसमेंट ऑफ सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस मस्ट बी कंप्लीटेड विद इन 30 डेज, सबके 30 डेज है। उसके अलावा इंडिपेंडेंट मेंबर जो है वो रिक्वायर्ड क्वालिफिकेशन है उनकी सोशल वर्क, लॉ, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, एजुकेशन, कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर, ईटीसी। और है जी ट्वाइस द नंबर ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट्स टू बी मेड, मतलब अगर 6 मेंबर अपॉइंट करने हैं ना तो वो 12 का पैनल बना के भेजेंगे, उन 12 में से फिर उन्होंने 6 सिलेक्ट करने होंगे। Twice the number of appointments to be made have remained a public servant in 6 months immediately preceding such appointment। ये उसकी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव have ओहो सॉरी क्वालिफिकेशन है उसकी। और उसके बाद है जी डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन बीइंग डिक्लेयर्ड अ बैंकक्रप्ट, लोन डिफॉल्टर और टैक्स एवेडर। अगली डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन है जी नहीं फंक्शन आ गया जी। व्हाट इज द की फंक्शन ऑफ द प्रोविंशियल पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन रिलेटिंग रिगार्डिंग गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी टू प्रोवाइड गाइडलाइंस ऑन द पॉलिसी of the government or to provincial police officer and capital city police officer for promoting integrity, efficiency and effectiveness of police। आगे हाजिर टू इंटरवेन इट्स डिसीजन शैल प्रिवेन। ये सारी चीजें सेम ही है। इट फैसिलिटेट देयर एस्टेब्लिशमेंट एंड फंक्शनिंग इन अकॉर्डेंस विद आर्टिकल 168 सॉरी। इससे पहले मीटिंग जो है वो बाई एनुअली चल रही थी और अब प्रोविंशियल पुलिस पॉलिसिंग प्लान की जो है वो क्वार्टरली है वो, मतलब परफॉर्मेंस की जो वो टारगेट जितना भी उन्होंने काम किया उसको वो क्वार्टरली रिपोर्ट करेंगे और बाय द एंड ऑफ द अगस्त करेंगे रिपोर्ट। सबका ही बाय द एंड ऑफ अगस्त है। डिटेल पर्सनल फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स ऑफ ऑल पुलिस ऑफिसर्स रिपोर्ट सबमिटेड। अच्छा सॉरी। आगे है जी what kind of reforms does the Public Safety Police Commission do? Reforms of modernization of laws and procedure in respect of police prosecution, prisons और private service। आगे है जी प्रोविंशियल पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन इवैल्यूएट परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट एनुअली। और है जी द रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ सच commission if the performance of district public safety commission found unsatisfactory। If the government dissolved the public safety commission recommendation within how many days must it reconstitute the same 45 days। अगर डिसॉल्व हो जाएगा तो 45 दिन के अंदर अंदर दोबारा बनाया जाएगा। What function does the public safety provincial police safety commission perform during the period of relevant public safety commission stand dissolved? It perform the functions of relevant dissolved public safety commission, prosecution, prison and probate services perform functions में। उसके बाद है जी टर्म ऑफ ऑफिस एट द सेम एज द प्रोविंशियल असेंबली अनलेस ही रिजाइन सीजेस टू बी अ मेंबर ऑफ द 3 ईयर थी उसमें। उसके बाद है जी इज अ मेंबर ऑफ प्रोविंशियल पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन एलिजिबल फॉर सेकंड टर्म, नो। और इनको टीएडी में लगा ये जस्टिस ऑफ पीस कहलाएंगे। गवर्नर ऑफ हिज ओन वॉल्यूशन, गवर्नर प्रोविंशियल है तो फिर गवर्नर उसको रिमूव करेगा, अगर फेडरल है तो फिर प्रेसिडेंट रिमूव करेगा विद द कंसल्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन के अप्रूवल के साथ। बीइंग फाउंड गिल्टी ऑफ मिसकंडक्ट रिमूवल की ग्राउंड आ गई वही कन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। 3 मीटिंग कन्वेन की जाएंगी। इन मीटिंग में कोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस चलेगा, 2/3 मेंबर कोरम है इसका। और उसके अलावा 1 मीटिंग इन अ मंथ होनी चाहिए। नो एक्सेप्ट इन केस ऑफ टाई, जो एक्स ऑफिशियल चेयर पर्सन है वो वोट नहीं करेगा सिवाय टाइम में, जैसे स्पीकर का होता है। अच्छा जी सिंपल मेजोरिटी से होगी इसकी अपॉइंटमेंट डिसीजन जो है। उसके अलावा है हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग शैल अटेंड द मीटिंग, द प्रोविंशियल पुलिस ऑफिसर एंड हेड्स ऑफ प्रोसिक्यूशन सर्विस, प्रिजन एंड प्रोबेट डिपार्टमेंट। हु इज द व्हाट इज द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ऑफ गवर्नमेंट रिगार्डिंग द प्रोविंशियल पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन टू एस्टेब्लिश अ परमानेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट। और ये परमानेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट जो है वो डायरेक्टर ऑफ द रैंक ऑफ सीनियर सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस होना चाहिए, यानी कि ये बीपीएस 19 बना है। और द प्रोविंशियल लॉ डिपार्टमेंट में से होना चाहिए सेक्रेटेरिएट। 12 मेंबर अगला कमीशन आ गया जी नेशनल पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन, इसके भी 12 मेंबर्स होने चाहिए। स्पीकर जो है और नेशनल असेंबली का फ्रॉम इट्स अमंग मेंबर्स हाफ जो है वो उसके सिलेक्ट किए जाएंगे। 3 फ्रॉम ट्रेजरी एंड 3 फ्रॉम अपोजिशन, यानी कि 6 हो गए। एटलीस्ट 1 मेंबर फ्रॉम ईच डिवीजन, 2 मेंबर्स होने चाहिए वुमेन। पहले 1/3 1/3 चल रही थी और फिर 2 2 है। और उसके बाद है जी अपॉइंटमेंट, अदर हाफ जो अपॉइंटमेंट है प्रेसिडेंट फ्रॉम अ लिस्ट नेम रिकमेंडेड बाय द नेशनल सिलेक्शन पैनल। फिर है जी एटलीस्ट वन मेंबर फ्रॉम ईच प्रोविंस एंड कैपिटल, इस्लामाबाद कैपिटल टेरिटरी, वो जो 6 है उनमें से 2 ये होने चाहिए। 2 मेंबर जो है वुमेन होनी चाहिए। और उसके बाद है जी नेशनल असेंबली इज नॉट एग्जिस्टेंट व्हेन विच, अगर नेशनल असेंबली में एग्जिस्टेंस में नहीं है तो फिर सिर्फ इंडिपेंडेंट मेंबर्स होंगे। फेडरल इंटीरियर मिनिस्टर जो है वो एक्स ऑफिशियल चेयरपर्सन हो गया। मेंबर इलेक्टेड बाय द कमीशन फ्रॉम अमंगस्ट इट्स मेंबर्स होंगे। जस्टिस ऑफ चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट पाकिस्तान जो है वो इसका चेयरपर्सन होगा। उसके अलावा भी जी इलेक्टेड और इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव और पब्लिक सर्वेंट जो है वो इसका मेंबर नहीं होंगे इंडिपेंडेंट मेंबर्स में। तो बाय कंसेंसस से जो डिसीजन चलेगा इनका, और 30 डेज का नोटिस इनको दिया जाएगा मीटिंग स्टार्ट होने से। सॉरी, ये प्रोसेस कंप्लीट जो है वो 30 डेज में करेंगे। उसके बाद है जी रिमूवल की क्वालिफिकेशन, इसकी क्राइटेरिया सोशल वर्क, लॉ, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, एजुकेशन, कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर। उसके बाद है एलिजिबल कैंडिडेट्स डज द सिलेक्शन पैनल फॉरवर्ड द टू द प्रेसिडेंट फॉर द अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट मेंबर टू द नेशनल पब्लिक सेफ्टी। वो ट्वाइस मेंबर होंगे, अपॉइंटमेंट टू बी मेड 6 अपॉइंट करने तो 12 भेजे जाएंगे। उसके अलावा हैव बीन अ पब्लिक सर्वेंट इन द 6 मंथ इमीडिएटली प्रीसीडिंग सच अपॉइंटमेंट। फिर है जी बीइंग कन्विक्टेड ऑफ अ क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस, ये रिमूवल के ग्राउंड होगी। बीइंग डिक्लेयर्ड बैंकरप्ट, ये भी रिमूवल के ग्राउंड होगी। उसके अलावा अगर प्रोविंशियल पुलिस फोर्सेस एक्सेप्ट in performance its duties, the National Police Safety Commission shall oversee the function of all the following except provincial police officer. All the following मतलब पाकिस्तान रेलवे पुलिस, एंटी नार्कोटिक्स फोर्स, और कौन सा था, फेडरल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी। आगे है जी व्हाट रोल डज द प्रोविंशियल नेशनल पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन प्ले रिगार्डिंग सिटीजन पुलिस लिएजन कमेटी। इट फैसिलिटेट्स देयर एस्टेब्लिशमेंट एंड फंक्शनिंग इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द आर्टिकल 168। पैनल्स ऑफ 3 पुलिस ऑफिसर्स, पैनल्स ऑफ 3 पुलिस ऑफिसर्स फ्रॉम अपॉइंटमेंट। और उसके बाद है जी फॉर अनसेटिस्फैक्टरी परफॉर्मेंस ड्यूटीज बिफोर कंप्लीशन ऑफ नॉर्मल टेन्योर ऑफ 3 इयर्स, एन अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ बीइंग, हर रिमूवल से पहले उसे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाएगी और इनकी जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो क्वार्टरली रिपोर्ट बना के पेश की जाएगी बाय द एंड ऑफ अगस्त, ये भी पेश करेंगे। उसके बाद है डिटेल्ड बजट एलोकेशन फॉर ईच पुलिस स्टेशन इन द कंट्री। The annual report submitted to the National Public Safety Commission to the government and the parliamentary shall include क्या करेगी जी, a report of functioning, an abstract of concerning commission और report matters connected with general law and order in the country। उसके बाद है जी kind of reforms of motorization and law and procedure in respect of police, prosecution, prison and probation service, ये सबका सेम है। फिर इट फैसिलिटेट्स कोऑर्डिनेशन अमंग देम, ये भी सेम है। और उसके बाद है जी डिसॉल्व द इस्लामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन एंड रीकॉन्स्टिट्यूट विद इन 45 डेज, ये भी सेम है। अगर डिसॉल्व करेगी तो 45 दिन के अंदर दोबारा बनाएगी गवर्नमेंट। और कंडक्ट एन इंक्वायरी, एस्टैब्लिश द वेरासिटी ऑफ ग्राउंड्स फॉर रिकमेंडेशन एंड द ट्रांसमिट द फेडरल गवर्नमेंट फॉर रेजोल्यूशन और रिजेक्शन। उसके बाद है जी इट परफॉर्म द फंक्शन ऑफ द इस्लामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन। और बाकी सेम है, ये प्रोसिक्यूशन, प्रिजन एंड प्रोबेशन सर्विस द सेम एज द नेशनल असेंबली। अनलेस दे रिजाइन, मतलब वो 3 साल है, 3 साल के अगर वो पहले रिजाइन कर देते हैं तो फिर वो पहले रिजाइन हो जाएंगे। री एलिजिबल नहीं होंगे, दोबारा इलेक्शन नहीं होगा, टीए मिलेगा इनको, जस्टिस ऑफ पीस कहलाएंगे। प्रेसिडेंट जो है वो रिमूव कर देगा खुद और जो कंसर्न रेलिवेंट कमीशन होगा उसके साथ। बीइंग फाउंड गिल्टी ऑफ कंडक्ट रिमूवल के लिए, कंफ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रिमूवल के लिए 3 मीटिंग्स होनी चाहिए। फॉर्मल मीटिंग में इनका कोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस होगा, 2/3 ऑफ इट्स मेंबर कोरम है। मिनिमम 1 मीटिंग 1 मंथ में होनी चाहिए। एक्स ऑफिशियल चेयरपर्सन जो है वो वोट नहीं करेगा सिवाय टाइम में, सिंपल मेजोरिटी से इनका डिसीजन चलेगा। और प्राइम मिनिस्टर हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग विल अटेंड meetings of the commission as non-voting members when invited। heads of the law enforcement agency, prosecution service, prison and probation service, ये भी सेम है। नेशनल पुलिस ब्यूरो क्या करेगा, what body functions as the secretariat of national police commission। उसके बाद है जी who is responsible for establishing the federal police complaint authority, the government। how many members including chairperson does 6। who appoints chairperson, president। government president on recommendation of Federal Public Service Commission, the government on recommendation of the Federal Public Service Commission. उसके बाद है जी क्वालिटीज आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर मेंबर्स ऑफ फेडरल पुलिस कंप्लेंट्स अथॉरिटी एमिनेंट पर्सन्स ऑफ इम्पीसिबल इंटीग्रिटी विद स्किल्स नॉलेज एंड एक्सपीरियंस इन स्पेसिफाइड फील्ड्स। मैक्सिमम पीरियड जो है वो 3 ईयर है। कैन अ मेंबर ऑफ चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द फेडरल बोर्ड री एलिजिबल नहीं होगा। और है इसमें फ्रॉम डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन और अग्री पर्सन इन राइटिंग और ऑन एन एफिडेविट क्या करेगा। From whom can the Federal Police Complaints Authority receive complaints, neglect, excess, or misconduct against the Islamabad Capital Territory Police Officer or many member of a Federal Law Enforcement Agency? ठीक है। What action does Federal Police Complaint refer cases to an appropriate action authority to action? It initiate action in its own। अगर सीरियस केसेस होंगे तो फिर वो खुद एक्शन लेगी वरना रेफर कर देगी। अच्छा जी, what kind of reports can the Federal Complaints Authority receive from the Islamabad? Reports of death, rape or serious injury. In serious cases, the Chief Justice of the High Court क्या करेगा, request करेगा appoint a district and session judge for judicial inquiry. When appointing an inquiry officer of a complaint, what must be true about the police officer selected? They must be senior in rank of the officer complained against. उसके बाद है जी function does the what action does the Federal Police Complaints Authority direct the competent authority to take based on findings of an inquiry? Departmental action of registration of a criminal case as appropriate and submission of a report about the action. Next, the Federal Police Complaints Authority is not satisfied with an order. In case what action is taken, it may send a report to the next higher authority for revision of the order, repeating the process till the final authority. What action can the Federal Police Complaints Authority initiate in case of frivolous, false, or vexatious claim? Initiate legal action against the complaint. What kind of disciplinary action can the federal government recommend against an inquiry? Disciplinary action for willful neglect or mishandling of inquiry. To whom does the Federal Police Complaint Authority prepare and send its annual report? To the government for laying the report before Parliament. What is one of the ways the Federal Police Complaint Authority establish regional officers or designate existing bodies to deal with the complaints in consultation with the federal government or with agreement of the provincial government? Designate provincial police complaints authority or district public safety commission. What is minimum basic scale? Basic scale जो है वो 19 है। The determines who determines the organization of the secretariat and functions authority itself. उसके अलावा जी है व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर फॉर रिमूवल सेम एज फॉर द मेंबर्स ऑफ फेडरल पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन। और शुक्र है इसमें उसने सेम लिखा वरना सेम चीजें उसने काफी पेस्ट किया, एक ही लाइन लिख सकता था वो उसमें कि वही प्रोसीजर अप्लाई किया जाएगा। अच्छा खैर, हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एस्टेब्लिशिंग आर प्रोविंशियल पुलिस कंप्लेंट अथॉरिटी? द प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट। और है जी मेंबर इसके जो इंक्लूडिंग द चेयरपर्सन डज द provincial police complaint authority consists of 6 who appoint the chairperson to the provincial police authority, the governor. और है जी who appoint the member of the provincial police complaint authority, government on recommendation of the provincial public safety commission. Qualities are required for members वही eminent person, impeccable integrity with skills knowledge and experience in specified field. उसके अलावा जी 3 years है इसका टर्म पीरियड और री एलिजिबल नहीं होंगे फ्रॉम डिस्ट्रिक्ट पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन और एन अग्रीड पर्सन एफिडेविट वही उस जो पहले आया था कि कंप्लेंट के अगेंस्ट जो है वो रिसीव करेंगे साथ। व्हेन द प्रोविंशियल पुलिस कंप्लेंट अथॉरिटी रिसीव रिपोर्ट डिफॉल्ट और डेथ रेप सीरियस इंजरी होम इट रिक्वेस्ट टू अपॉइंट अ जज फॉर जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट, क्योंकि प्रोविंशियल है तो फिर हाई कोर्ट का चीफ जस्टिस आएगा। उसके बाद है जी when appointing an inquiry officer for a complaint, what must be true about the police officer selected by the provincial police complaint authority? They must be senior rank of the to the officer complained against. आगे है जी if the provincial complaint authority is not satisfied with the order, in case what action can it take? सेम है ये भी। इट में सेंड अ रिपोर्ट टू द नेक्स्ट हायर अथॉरिटी फॉर रिवीजन ऑफ द ऑर्डर बाय द अवार्डिंग ऑफिसर रिपीटिंग द प्रोसेस टिल द फाइनल अथॉरिटी, या फिर वो इनिशिएट करेगी लीगल एक्शन अगेंस्ट द कंप्लेंट। टू होम डज द प्रोविंशियल पुलिस कंप्लेंट अथॉरिटी प्रिपेयर एंड सेंड इट्स एनुअल रिपोर्ट टू द गवर्नर टू द गवर्नमेंट फॉर लाइंग द रिपोर्ट बिफोर द प्रोविंशियल असेंबली। बीपीएस 19 का होना चाहिए सेक्रेटेरिएट। उसके अलावा इसकी जो है रिमूवल वो सेम है एज प्रोविंशियल पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन का, और हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर जो है वो क्रिमिनल जस्टिस कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी एस्टेब्लिश करनी चाहिए। हु इज द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ क्रिमिनल जस्टिस कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी? डज डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड सेशन जज। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द मेंबर ऑफ क्रिमिनल जस्टिस कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी? ज़रा नाज़रीन, यानी कि मेंबर होंगे डीएसपी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट सुपरिटेंडेंट जेल, डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोबेशन ऑफिसर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट पैरोल ऑफिसर, who serve as the secretary of the criminal justice coordination committee, the head of investigation. What is one of the primary functions of the criminal justice coordination committee? To keep under review the operation of the criminal justice system and work towards its improvement. What does the criminal justice coordination committee aim to promote among different parts of the criminal justice system? Understanding, cooperation and coordination. How often shall the meeting of a criminal justice coordination committee be held? At least once in a month. Who is responsible for recording of minutes of the meeting of the criminal justice coordination committee? The secretary of the committee. Who can make rules for carrying into the effect? Provincial police officer or Islamabad capital city police officer. What type of punishment can be awarded? Suspension, dismissal, compulsory retirement, reduction in rank or pay, fine, censure or any other punishment. Who is responsible for issuing code of conduct to regulate the police practice? Provincial police officer and capital city police officer. Who the code of conduct shall regulate police practices in respect of all of the following except the personal financial investments of police officers. What is the consensus for a public police officer contravening the code of conduct? Award of one or more punishment provided under Article 113 subject to rules. When is the police officer liable to be called for duty? When off duty, on leave or under suspension. कभी बुलाया जा सकता है उसको. Who must expressly allow a police officer to withdraw from duties of their office in writing? Head of district police or some other officer authorized to grant such permission. According to the explanation provided, what is deemed as the withdrawal from the duties of office? A police officer being absent on leave and failing without reasonable cause to report for duty on the expiration of such leave. What is the minimum notice period to a police officer must give to their superior officer if they intended to resign? Not less than 2 months. Resignation से 2 महीने पहले वो inform करेगा higher authority को. Can a police officer engage in any private employment while being a member of the police? No, they should not engage in any private employment. In emergency, who may issue orders for maintenance of public order, preventing public nuisance, to give effect to provision of municipal law, rules or bylaw? The head of district police. Which police officer not below the certain rank may give direction for the conduct and behavior of persons constituting processions or assemblies on roads or streets? A sub-inspector. A police officer not below the rank of sub-inspector can give direction to prevent obstruction in all of the following situations except in the neighborhood of public parks during the year time. क्या कर सकता है वो? On the occasion of processions and assemblies, in the neighborhood of places of worship, during the time of worship, when a street or public place may be thrown to or liable to be obstructed. Who can direct the conduct of assemblies and processions on public roads or streets are and prescribe routes and times? Head of the district police or assistant or deputy superintendent of police. Under what condition may the head of district police or assistant superintendent of police require a license for an assembly or procession if in their judgment it would be likely to cause a breach of the peace if uncontrolled? Is a fee charged for applying for a granting a license for public assemblies or procession? No fee charged. Who among the following can stop procession that violates the conditions of granted license? Head of district police or assistant deputy superintendent of police or inspector of police or an officer in charge of the police station. What is the consequence of if a procession or assembly neglects or refuses to obey an order dispersed given due to violation of license condition? It shall be deemed to be an unlawful assembly. Who may prohibit certain acts for prevention of disorder by public notification? The head of district. What is maximum time for which head of district police can issue a prohibition under order under Article 122 subclass 1 not exceeding 2 days? Which of the following articles if carried can be prohibited by the head of district police under Article 122 subclass 1? Cudgels, swords, spears, bludgeons, guns, knives or any other article capable of causing physical violence. If a person goes armed with any prohibited article mentioned in Article 122 subclass 1, what action can a police officer take? The article shall be liable to seize from him for preventing serious disorder at places of public amusement or assemblies, which police officer can give reasonable directions. A police officer of the rank of assistant sub inspector or above. What is the purpose of giving directions at places of public amusement or assemblies by a police officer, assistant sub inspector or above? To control the mode of admission of the public, lawful conduct of proceedings and maintaining public safety. थक गई मैं, थोड़ा सा रह गया, चलो इसी में कंप्लीट करती हूँ, अगली वीडियो फिर पार्ट 2 के तौर पर इसी में हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह. अच्छा, while on duty but access does every police officer have to any place of public amusement, assembly or meeting free access for the purpose of giving effect to the provisions of article 123 subclause 1 and directions made thereunder. In an emergency, what can any police officer do regarding streets or public places? Temporarily close them through erection of barriers or other means to prohibit persons or vehicles from entering. Under what circumstances can a police officer search a person or vehicle in a street or public place? When on reasonable grounds they suspect a person or vehicle to be carrying any article unlawfully obtained or possessed or likely to be used in the commission of an offence. If a police officer conducts a search under Article 125 and detains an article, what must they do? If detained such article after recording in writing the grounds of such action and issue a receipt in the prescribed form and report to the officer in charge of the police station for informing the court, who can depute additional police to keep the peace or preserve order upon application of any person, capital city police officer or city police officer and district police officer, at whose cost shall such additional police be employed when deputed upon application of a person, the cost of the person making the application. If the person upon whose application additional police are employed gives 1 week's notice for their withdrawal, when will they be relieved from the cost at the expiration of such notice? If there is a dispute on payment for additional police employed upon application, who may refer the matter to the government for final decision? Head of district police on an application by the aggrieved party. When may the head of district public police deputy additional police at the cost of organizers or employers? Whenever a large work or public amusement is likely to impede traffic or attract a large number of people, or when behavior of employed persons necessitates it. The head of district police may depute additional police at the cost of organizer employees for how long? For so long as the necessity to employ the additional police shall appear to be expedient. Who bears the cost of additional police employed at the cost of organizer or event or employees work concerned? The organizers of such events or employees of such workers of persons at rates approved by the appropriate government. When any loss or damage is caused to property or death, grievous hurt to a person by unlawful assembly, who determines the amount of compensation? The trial court. In what manner are amounts payable under Article 126 additional police to keep peace and 127 additional police at cost organization recovered in the same manner as if it were areas of land revenue? What are amounts recovered under Article 126 and 127 credited to the Treasury? Who can prohibit to or restrict the wearing in public of any dress or article of apparel resembling police or armed forces uniforms if it is likely to prejudice the security of the state or public order? Provincial police officer or the capital city police officer or city police officer. How must an order prohibiting to use of certain dress resembling uniform be published by publication in the official gazette for the purpose of Article 131.1? When is a dress or article of apparel deemed to have been worn or displayed in public? If it is worn or displayed in any place to which the public have access. If the head of district police is dissatisfied with that necessary in the interest of public order, what can they prohibit or restrict throughout the district or any part thereof all meetings and assemblies of persons for the purpose of training in the use of arms, taking part in any such camp, parade or procession for the purpose of carrying this order into effect? Who exercise authority and control over village watchmen or village police officers? The head of district police officer. What is the duty of every police officer regarding unclaimed property? To take a charge and make inventory and furnish a copy or to the head of district police, who shall send a copy to the district police safety commission, who issues a proclamation regarding unclaimed property and within what time frame after taking change of it? Head of district police within 15 days. What must a proclamation for unclaimed property specify? The articles of which such property consist of requiring claimant to appear and establish their claim. What is the deadline of a person to appear and establish their claim to unclaimed property after the proclamation is issued? 3 months. Under what circumstances can unclaimed property be forthwith disposed of by the head of district police if the property is subject to speedy and natural decay or if its value is less than 1000 rupees? If a claimant appears before an officer authorized by the head of district police to establish their claim, what shall that officer do with the record of proceeding forwarded to the head of district police? In the disposal of property under class 3 of article 135, whose directions shall the head of district police follow? The district public safety commission's direction, who orders to delivery of unclaimed property to a claimant once their title is satisfied. Head of the district police, in case there is more than one claimant to the same unclaimed property, who refers the matter to the competent court, the head of the district police. If no person establishes a claim to unclaimed property within specified period, how is the property or distributing part disposed of? It is disposed of in the prescribed manner with the approval of the appropriate public safety commission, and the proceeds are deposited in the treasury. What actions are prohibited in Article 138 regarding causing mischief in a street or by animal or vehicle, causing damage, injury, danger, alarm, or mischief by negligent or reckless driving, or by driving unwieldy articles contrary to the regulation? Which of the following constitute an obstruction in a street according to Article 139, allowing an animal or vehicle to remain in the street longer than necessary for loading, unloading, or taking up, setting down passengers? All of the following are considered willful or negligent conduct with respect to of dogs in a street or public place and Article 140, except walking a dog in on a leash. Achha, what is the maximum fine for a person convicted of contravening Article 138 to 140? 10,000 rupees. What is the maximum imprisonment for a term for a person convicted contravening of Article 138 to 140 if they default on payment of the fine? 30 days. If keeper of any place of public amusement knowingly permits or suffer disorderly behavior or gambling, what is the maximum fine they can face on conviction? 10,000 rupees. What is the penalty for contravening or abetting a contravention? A fine up to 10,000 rupees. Maximum fine whoever contravenes, disobeys, opposes, or fails to conform to any order given by a police officer under Article 119 and 133. 10,000 rupees. What is the punishment for whoever contravenes a notification or an order made under Class 1 of Article 122 prohibiting certain acts for prevention of disorder? Imprisonment for a term not less than 3 months but may extend to 2 years and with fine up to 100,000 rupees. What is the maximum imprisonment for a term whoever contravenes any order under Article 131 banning of dress resembling uniforms and Article 132 control of camps parade? 3 years. What is the maximum fine whoever contravenes any order made under Article 131, 132, 100,000 rupees? If a person detains employment as a police officer by making a false or misleading statement or using false document, what is the maximum imprisonment? 1 year. What is the maximum fine of person convicted of obtaining employment as a police officer through fraudulent means? 50,000 rupees. For the first commission of an offence mentioned in Article 138 to 140, what can the head of district public police officer authorized to issue in lieu of prosecution a warning in writing? If any offender commits a subsequent offence mentioned in Article 138 to 140, what is the minimum punishment they will be awarded on conviction? At least half of the prescribed punishment. What is the maximum imprisonment term for whoever defiles water in public wells, tanks, or other water sources, rendering it unfit for its purpose? 6 months. Maximum fine whoever defiles water in public works, tanks, or water sources? 30,000 rupees. Maximum imprisonment for a term whoever knowingly gives false alarm of fire to the fire brigade? 3 months, or fine है इसका 15,000 rupees. What is the maximum imprisonment for a term whoever contravenes, abets, or contravening of any order made under Article 124 erecting barriers in street? 3 months imprisonment or 10,000 fine. Imprisonment है जी person not being a police member who wears police uniform without authorization of any dress resembling it? 3 years. और फाइन है इसका 100,000 रुपीज। अच्छा जी, फाइल्स इफ अ पर्सन फाइल्स अ कंप्लेंट अगेंस्ट द पुलिस दैट इज फाउंड फ्रिवलेस और विकेशियस ऑफ द पुलिस अथॉरिटी, द इम्प्रिजमेंट टर्म ऑन कन्विक्शन 6 मंथ और फाइन है इसका 50,000 रुपीज। Which of the following article describe offences are considered cognizable notwithstanding anything contained in the code? Articles 148 to 152. What power does the court trying offences under this chapter have regarding the trial procedure to try such offences summarily in accordance with the procedure laid down for summary trial in the court? Actually, which of the following acts of by a police officer for obtaining release from service is punishable under Article 155? 1A. Making a false statement or a statement misleading in a material particulars or using a false statement. All of the following are considered misconduct. Being guilty of cowardice, being found in state of intoxication while on duty, being grossly insubordinate to a superior officer. अच्छा जी, वो एक्सेप्ट था टेकिंग एनुअल लीव विद प्रायर अप्रूवल, तो ये मिसकंडक्ट में नहीं आएगा। व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम imprisonment term for a police officer convicted or any offense mentioned in Article 155 of Clause 1? 3 year. What conditional additional penalty is always imposed along with the imprisonment? Fine or अगला है जी, what is required for prosecution under Article 155? A report in writing by an authorized in this behalf under the rules. Which of the following acts by a police officer without lawful authority or reasonable cause is punishable? Entering or searching any building, vessel or tent or place. Inflicting torture or violence to any person in custody by a police officer falls under which article and what kind of penalty? And Article 156, imprisonment up to 5 years and fine. ये जो पुलिस ऑफिसर रिमांड में जो है लोगों को मारते हैं ना, तो उनकी सजा 5 साल है अगर उसकी कंप्लेन होती है और वो प्रूफ होता है कि वो मारा है। अच्छा जी, अब व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम इम्प्रिजमेंट फॉर अ टर्म ऑफ पुलिस ऑफिसर कन्विक्टेड एनी ऑफेंस मेंशन्ड इन आर्टिकल 156? 5 ईयर और एडिशनली फाइन भी होगा। What is the penalty for any police officer who vexatiously unnecessarily delays the forwarding of arrested person to a court? वो जो 24 घंटे के बाद पेश करना होता है, 24 घंटे के अंदर अंदर अगर वो नहीं करेगा तो फिर उसकी सजा क्या है? 1 year with fine पुलिस ऑफिसर की। Who is responsible for establishing the National Police Management Board? The federal government. Members इसके होंगे जी 5. Who is not who is of the following is not expressly as the head of police establishment of the federal enforcement agency? Provincial police officer, डायरेक्टर जनरल इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो, डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ फेडरल इन्वेस्टिगेशन, ये उसके मेंबर होंगे, लेकिन आईजी ऑफ रेलवे पुलिस नहीं होगा। हु सर्व्स एज अ मेंबर ऑफ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द नेशनल पुलिस मैनेजमेंट बोर्ड? द डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ नेशनल पुलिस ब्यूरो। What is one of the functions of the National Police Management Board regarding advise government? To advise the federal and provincial government on matters concerning general planning, development and standardization of administration, education and training, gender satisfaction, communication, etc. The National Police Management Board identifies and arranges search in all of the following: criminology, terrorism, sectarian and ethnic, लेकिन provincial economic development की नहीं करेगी। How many meetings shall be held by the नेशनल पुलिस मैनेजमेंट बोर्ड? 2 मीटिंग्स। कोरम है इसका जी 3/4 ऑफ द टोटल मेंबरशिप। प्रॉक्सी एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं होगी। प्रॉक्सी मतलब कि किसी की जगह पर कोई और जाके हाथ लगा दे, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। मिनिमम नोटिस जो है वो 1 मंथ होगा। मेंबर्स ओवर द मीटिंग्स ऑफ नेशनल पुलिस ऑफिसर बोर्ड, सीनियर मोस्ट मेंबर जो है वो उसका क्या होगा? प्रिजाइड करेगा। मिनिमम रैंक जो है जी एआईजी का होना चाहिए, एडिशनल इंस्पेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस। उसके अलावा जो है फंक्शन इसके टू फंक्शन एज देयर परमानेंट सेक्रेटरी, प्राइमरी फंक्शन जो है इसका। उसके बाद है जी डिटरमाइंस द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ नेशनल पुलिस ब्यूरो, प्रोवाइड स्टाफ द नेशनल पुलिस मैनेजमेंट बोर्ड बिसाइड द फंक्शनिंग एज अ सेक्रेटेरिएट, व्हाट अदर फंक्शंस परफॉर्म रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट फंक्शनिंग एज असाइंड बाय द नेशनल पुलिस management board and the national police public safety commission. For what functions does the National Police Bureau as Secretariat to the National Public Safety Commission function independently as Secretariat to the National Public Safety Commission? Under what condition may the police provide advice and assistance to an international organization or the entities involved in criminal investigation outside with the permission of the government? Who is responsible for coordination for the purpose of efficiency in police administration among general police areas falling under federal or provincial governments? The federal government. Who is required to for the promotion of officers of Provincial Police. Recommendations on the Departmental Promotion Committees, Promotion Boards, subject to rules. अच्छा जी, आगे है फॉर प्रमोशन टू रैंक ऑफ हेड कांस्टेबल, व्हाट इज द मिनिमम रैंक ऑफ द ऑफिसर हेडिंग द assistant departmental promotion committee, assistant superintendent of police or deputy superintendent of police. For promotion to the rank of assistant sub inspector and sub inspector, what is the minimum rank of officer heading the departmental promotion committee, promotion board, superintendent of police? For promotion to the rank of inspector, what is the minimum rank of the officer heading the departmental promotion committee, promotion board, deputy inspector general of police? For promotion to rank of deputy superintendent of police, what is the minimum rank of the officer heading the departmental promotion committee, additional inspector general of police? For promotion to the rank of superintendent of police, what is the minimum rank of the head officer heading the departmental promotion committee, promotion board, inspector general, who transmits the statistics and reports of the to the federal government regarding officers, offenders, criminal proceeding, and the state of law and order in the provincial assembly, the provincial government. How often is in what form does the provincial government transmit criminal statistics and report to the federal government? At some times in such form as the federal government may direct. What does the federal government causes to be prepared and laid before the National Assembly based on the information transmitted under Article 166 of Clause 1 and consolidated abstract of the information? Who can require a provincial government to submit reports on matters connected with the police performance? The federal government. Who may direct the submission of reports and returns by the provincial police and officers and other police officers and prescribe their form? The provincial government. What information is to be recorded in the register of daily diary at every police station? Names of complaints, arrested persons, change offense, weapons, property taken, and names of examined witnesses who may call for and inspect the daily diary of police station, the district in session judge of the district, who may establish citizen police liaison committee, the government in consultation with the National Public Safety Commission or Provincial Public Safety Commission. All of the following are the purposes of establishing citizen police liaison committee except managing the financial affairs of the police station. फंक्शन क्या होंगे जो उसके ट्रेनिंग एंड कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग ऑफ पब्लिक सेफ्टी कमीशन, डेवलपिंग mechanism for liaison between aggrieved citizen and police, providing relief assistance to public safety commission, police complaints authority. Again, at what levels may the government constitute a public safety fund by notification in the official gazette at the provincial and district levels? Which of the following is source of funds for the public safety fund? Grants made by the federal government, the provincial government, and the district government to the police. How much of the sums of traffic fines may the provincial government credit to the provincial public safety fund? One half. Under what accounting head and receipt for the public safety fund credited a head of account in the public account duly authorized by the Collector General of Accounts? What is the nature of the public safety fund regarding lapsing at the end of a financial year? It is non-lapsable. Who audits the accounts of payments made into or out of the public safety fund? The Auditor General at the end of each financial year. Who operates the public safety fund at the provincial level? The Provincial Public Safety Commission. Who operates the public safety fund at the district level? The District Public Safety Commission. Which of the following in a purpose for which the public safety fund shall be applied? Improving facilities for public and service delivery of police stations. If the office of the head of district public police becomes vacant, who is incompetent to exercise all the powers and performs all the duties of capital city police officer, or district police officer? Any officer who holds charge of such post or succeed temporarily or permanently under competent appointing authority. Under what condition is the police officer not liable to a penalty or payment of damages for an act done in pursuance of duty? If the act was done in good faith, in pursuance or intended pursuance of any duty imposed or authority conferred by this order or other law. What is the time limit for instituting a suit or prosecution against a police officer for an alleged offense or wrongs done under color of duty or in exercise of duty authority under this order? Within 6 months from the date of action complained of. How much notice must a person intending to sue a police officer for an alleged wrong give 2 months notice as prescribed in section 80 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908? What must a license or written permission granted under the provision of this order specify the period, locality, condition, and restriction subject to which it is granted, who must sign a license or written permission granted under this order, the competent authority, under what circumstances can a license or written permission granted under this order be suspected or revoked after due notice of, if any, of its condition or restriction is infringed or revoked, evaded if the person is convicted of an offence related to the license permission. If a license or written permission is suspended or revoked or has expired, what is the status of the guarantee? For all purposes of this order, they are deemed to be without a license or written permission until the order is cancelled or renewed. What is the obligation of a person to whom a license or written permission has been granted while it remains in force to produce it all at all reasonable times if required by a police officer? Which of the following is an acceptable method for giving a public notice required under this order by fixing copies in conspicuous public place or proclaiming with beat of drums or advertising in local newspaper, electronic media, or any two or more of them means? How is the consent, approval, declaration, opinion, satisfaction of a competent authority proven under this order by a written document signed by the competent authority purporting to convey or set forth to such consent? By which of the following documents are required by this order can have a facsimile of the head of district police signature stamped on it and still deemed properly signed? Any license, written permission, notice, or other document not being a summons or warrant of search. On what grounds can interested person apply to authority issuing a roll order requiring public duty conduct or annual reverse or alter it on the ground of its being unlawful, oppressive, or unreasonable? Who exercise jurisdiction for revision against orders made under an authority conferred by this order as per provision article 181? The appropriate government. How are the every rule and guardian regulation made under this order be published by notification in the official gazette? What is the effect of article 183 on the power to prosecute under anti other law? Under any other law, nothing contained in this order shall be construed to prevent any person from being prosecuted under any other law for offences published under this order, which act is repealed by Article 185 of this order, the Criminal Procedure Code 1898 by the Police Act 1861. According to Article 185 1A, what happens to all rules, prescribed, appointments made, and powers conferred under the repealed act if they are consistent with this order? They are deemed to have been respectively prescribed, made, and conferred under this order. What happens to all references made by the to the repealed act in any law or instrument according to the article 185 1b? They are to be construed as reference to the corresponding provisions of this order. Not Notwithstanding the repeal of the said act, what is not affected by the repeal according to the article 185 2b, any right, privilege, obligation, or liability acquired, accrued, or incurred under this act. If an investigation, legal proceeding, or remedy was initiated under the repealed act, can it be continued or enforced after the repeal? Yes, as if the said act had not been repealed. When does the police functioning in the provinces and in Islamabad, the capital territory, immediately before the commencement of this order become deemed to be police constituted under this order? Upon such commencement, who has the power to remove difficulties in giving effect to the provision of this order? The government. How does the government remove difficulties in giving effect to the provision of this order? By notification in the official gazette making necessary or expedient provisions. What is the time limit for issuing notification to remove difficulties after the commencement of this order? 2 years. What must be done with every notification issued under the power to remove difficulties? It shall be laid before the parliament or the provincial assembly as the case may be. Which of the following is considered a senior police rank? Inspector. How many ranks are explicitly listed under senior police ranks in the period next to 6? Which of the following ranks is considered a junior police rank? Assistant sub inspector. How many ranks are explicitly listed under junior ranks? 5. What ranks also immediately below assistant inspector general, senior superintendent, police superintendent? What rank falls immediately below inspector in the junior police ranks? Sub inspector. Which of the following pairs correctly identifies a इसका आंसर है नहीं, चेक कर लेना आप. An officer holding the rank of assistant superintendent would be categorized under what group of rank? Senior police rank. अच्छा जी, उसके बाद है आगे. How does a member of police swear to serve The people honestly, impartially, and truly without fear, favor, or affection, malice, or ill will. According to the oath, how should a member of the police discharge their function and duties according to law and in such a manner as to uphold and protect the dignity and rights of the citizen? What principle does a member of police swear to abide by? The principle contained in the Code of Conduct for Police Officer. The oath emphasizes the importance for protecting personal reputation of the police officer, under which article of the police order 2002 is the certificate of appointment issued under article 25. uh, what information is recorded in the serial number field of the certificate? The certificate states that the appointed individual is invested with the provisions, functions, and privileges of a police officer under which article of the police order 2002, article capital city, district police or area. The appointment made under the change of the head following authorities: provincial police officer, capital city police officer, or city police officer. What information is recorded in the signature and designation fields at the bottom of the certificate? The signature and designation of the appointing authority. अच्छा जी, आगे आगे है इसकी आंसर कीज। और ये जो पुलिस ऑर्डर 2002 कंप्लीट हुआ, जिसने भी ये पूरा सुना है सलाम है उसका। और मुझे भी, क्योंकि कंटिन्यूअसली विदाउट एनी ब्रेक मैंने ये कंप्लीट रिकॉर्ड किया और इन एमसीक्यूज को बनाने में, इनके आंसर में बहुत अच्छा खासा टाइम लगा। तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग। अगर किसी ने भी ये सुन लिया तो मेरी मेहनत वसूल होगी। ओके जी, मिलते हैं किसी और लेक्चर में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।